Good afternoon, students. This is Umar. Welcome to my channel, Maths with Umar. And today we are going to see chapter number 10, Real Numbers, exercise 1.1. So before going to exercise 1.1, I just want to remind you about the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So what does the fundamental theorem of arithmetic states as? So the fundamental theorem of arithmetic states that every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Is it right? So that means every composite numbers can be expressed as a product of prime factors, irrespective of the prime factors and irrespective of the order. Is it right? And the factorization is unique for each and every composite number. That means, for example, 8. When I take it will be 2 times 2 times 2, right? And if it is 10, it is 2 times 5. So every prime number can be expressed as a product of prime factors. Okay. So now, based on this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we have some problems in exercise 1.1 of chapter real numbers. Now, the third question of one of it is find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. We have already done for two numbers. So now let us see the first one. We have 12. How can you write 12 as product of prime factors? 2 times 3. Am I right? And 15, yes, 3 times 5. And 21, you can write it as 3 times 7. Now, how to find highest common factor? So, in order to find highest common factor, my dear students, please remember that we have to take the prime factor which is common in all the three. So, here we have only 3. So therefore, highest common factor is 3. But when we come for LCM, we take all prime numbers, okay, all prime products. Okay, how we are going to take? Suppose, for example, 2 square multiplied by 2 into 2, 2 square multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 and multiplied by the common factor. So that is 3. Okay. So that equals 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3. 4 5 is 20. 27 is 140. 143 is, it is 420. So this is how we take LCM. Now let us go for the next one. So the second one, it is 17. So we already know 17 is a prime number. So can we write it as 1 into 17? 1 is not a prime number, but for your understanding, and 23. So it is product of prime factors. It can be written as 23 and 29. It is a prime number. So we write as it is. Now for HCF, do you have anything common? We don't have anything common. So that is why I was expressing it as times 1. Okay. When you don't have anything common, so 1 is a common factor, right? So HCF highest common factor of 17, 23 and 29 is 1. And what about LCM? So LCM is what you are supposed to do? You multiply all the prime factors. So that is 17 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 29. And when we multiply, we know it is 11,339. Okay, this is how you find. And now the third one. Let us go for it. What is the third one? So let us see 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2, and 9 we write as 3 times 3, and 25 you write as 5 times 5. Now for highest common factor, you have to take the common factor which is there for all the three numbers. So do you have any common factor? If nothing, no common factor is available, then it is 1. And now for LCM, least common multiple, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to take all the prime factors. So it is 2 cube multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square. So how much it? 5 square is 25. 25 into 2 cube, 8. 25 8s are 25 into 8, how much? 200. 200 into 9, 1800. So this is how we take. समझ में आया? So HCF जब भी लेते हैं तो जो फैक्टर कॉमन है इन ऑल द थ्री नंबर्स उसको लेना चाहिए, और एलसीएम में हर प्राइम फैक्टर को लेना चाहिए, और जो कॉमन है उसको एक ही मर्तबा लेना अगर तीनों में कॉमन है. So I hope you understood this. And since my explanation is slow, so if you see at a speed of 1, it may be very slow. So I recommend you to go through in 1.25 speed. Okay, and please copy the notes whatever I have given. See, maths is not about listening; it's about doing. So the more you do, the more you understand. Okay, and you remember the concept. Assalamu alaikum. If you understand, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Okay, take care. Let us meet for the next problem in at the next video.